Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets right now are trading a little bit lower. Yesterday, after the Phase 1 deal between U.S. and China was signed, soybean prices especially broke and were lower overnight. March soybeans now is trading below the initial support, suggesting a lower trend. Corn also trading below some of the moving average supports, suggests a lower trade, and the wheat market is backing off from season highs and maybe trying to correct an overbought situation. Yesterday, market talked about funds buying 6,000 wheat, selling 9,000 corn, and 11,000 beans. We have them right now long about 46 wheat, short 76 corn, and now short about 12,000 beans. I think the big thing about the Phase 1 was that included in the agreement, China will buy based on needs and price. And so Gulf P&W prices are have to be competitive with global markets for China to come in and buy. Most people feel that China will buy ag goods and they will meet the agreement, but they may not buy until, let's say, mid-2020 and extend that out and may not increase sales until after the U.S. election and maybe the after U.S. harvest, which some people think, as far as the harvest is concerned, assuming a big 2020 U.S. crop, that prices will be lower than they are right now. We're kind of looking at U.S. Export prices near $363 a ton. Brazil's about $360. Our U.S. meal prices $363. Argentina, $336. Argentina's also $336, and Brazil's $323. On the corn side, U.S. corn prices are $178, Argentina $187, and Ukraine $181. On the wheat, U.S. hard red winter wheat prices around $232, Europe's $225, and Russia's between $225 and $229. And we had saw increase in open interest in corn and wheat. That would suggest that if China is buying futures, it would be equivalent to 4 to 6 million tons of corn and 3 to 5 million tons of wheat. Export sales today expected to be low. Wheat 200 to 500,000 tons, corn 300 to 700,000 tons, and beans 4 to 800,000 tons. And we also, from a weather standpoint, Brazil weather's good, suggesting big crops there. Argentina has been a little dry, but there's forecasted for rains next week. So again, the deal came. Maybe one of those buy the rumor, sell the fact things. And now we just have to wait for any indication of China coming in and buying goods, watching South American weather, and then once we get a little bit further down the road, watching U.S. weather and acres U.S. farmers are expected to plant. We tend to make lows in February. We tend to make highs in May. If there's weather problems, we tend to make new highs in July. If not, we trend lower into October in the grains. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.